Let's walk back home, shall we?
Sure, let's go.
What are you doing this weekend?
Nothing. I don't have any plans yet.
Would you like to watch the ballet with me? My mom has got 3 tickets.
Wow! Sure, I would love to go with you. What time does the show start?
Tomorrow at 5 o'clock at the City Theater.
I feel excited already.
Me too. I really love ballet. I dream of being a ballerina.
Really?
Well, on Saturday my mom and I will pick you up at 4:15 p.m. at your home.
Okay. See you tomorrow then.
Great! See you tomorrow, Suzy.
Have fun, everyone! Bye!
Wow, there are a lot of people.
Yes, because there are very famous ballerinas from France.
Let go, girls. The door is open now.
Wow,
Here are our seats.
I'm so excited.
Girls, during the performance, we must be quiet.
Okay.
Did you enjoy the show?
Wow, it was amazing.
Yes, I loved it too.
Great! Shall we go home now?
Mom, can we stop for an ice cream before home?
I like ice cream too.
Sure, we can.